Hello students, last class we have discussed the trigonometric basics, that is what is a right angle triangle, what is the relation between sides and hypotheses, what are the trigonometric ratios, what are the trigonometric ratio values for different angles, and what are the basic formulas, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, cosecant square theta minus cos square theta equal to 1. Today's lectures we will derive some standard equations based on the trigonometric ratios and the right angle triangle. Okay. This is right angle triangle. A, B, C, this is 90 degrees. Okay. Suppose this angle is A, this angle is B. Okay. This is right angled. What is the sum of angles A and B? What about sum of angle A and B? We will know the sum of the angles of triangle is 180. This is the 90. What about remaining sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Okay. This is the formula. What is the basic formulas of trigonometry? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That is, theta means A or theta. This is the angle. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Okay. What about sin square A plus sin square B? Based on this formula, we will derive what about the value of sin square A plus sin square B, or cos square A plus cos square B. Cos square A plus cos square B. If angle A plus angle B equal to 90. Angle A plus angle B equal to 90 means angle A equal to 90 minus angle B. Okay. Apply sin on both sides. Sin angle A equal to sin 90 minus angle B is equal to cos angle B. Sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Therefore, if A plus B equal to 90 degrees, sin A equal to cos B, or similarly cos A equal to sin B. Now, what about the values of sin square A plus sin square B? If A plus B equal to 90, that means A plus B in right angle triangle, this is right angle, and remaining sum of remaining angles is 90 degrees. A plus B equal to 90 and sin A equal to cos B, or cos A equal to sin B. Okay. These are the basic formulas from this right angle triangle. What about sin square A plus sin square B? Sin square A plus sin square B in right angle triangle equal to dash. Already know sin A equal to cos B. Therefore, sin square A equal to cos square B plus this formula sin square B equal to 1. Okay. We already know cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So, sin square A plus sin square B equal to 1. In similar way, cos square A plus cos square b equal to 1. Okay. In right angle triangle, this is right angle. Another sum of the two angles is 90 and sin A equal to cos B, and the formulas derived from the basic formulas equal to sin square A plus sin square B equal to 1, cos square A plus cos square B equal to 1. Okay. Suppose formula problem is like this. Example, sin square 37 plus sin square 53 equal to dash. Okay. Sum of 37 and 53 is 90. Therefore, if a plus b equal to 90, sin square a plus sin square b equal to 1. Simply answer is 1. Another example, cos square 7 plus cos square 83, cos square 83 equal to dash. 7 plus 83 equal to 90. Therefore, if a plus b equal to 90, cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1. So, cos square 7 plus cos square 83 equal to 1. Okay. What is the basic formula is sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. This is the basic formula. What we derived is sin square a plus sin square b equal to 1. Cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1. Okay. Sin square a plus sin square b equal to 1 means a plus b equal to 90. Cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1 means a plus b 90. These are the examples for this formulas. Another example, sin 37 cos 53 plus cos 37 sin 53 equal to dash. Okay. Cos 53 means cos 53 equal to cos, we can write 53 is in this fashion, 90 minus 37. Okay. 53 equal to 90 minus 37. Cos 90 minus theta equal to what? Sin 37. Sin 37. Sin 37 into sin 37 equal to sin square 37. Cos 37 into what about sin 53? Sin 53, similar fashion, what cos 53 is sin 37. Sin 53 equal to cos 37. Therefore, the problem is become like this. Sin square 37 plus cos square 37. Therefore, result is 1. Okay. What are the formulas derived here is in right angle triangle. One is the right angled angle. Another two angles sum is 90 degrees. Basic formula is sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Okay. Here two angles, sum of the two angles is 90. What we derived is sin square a plus ab are the other two angles. 90 is one angle, ab are the other two angles. Sin square a plus sin square b equal to 1, or cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1. Okay. Now, this is the right angle triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay. Suppose now what is the tan A into cot A equal to dash. Tan A into cot A equal to, okay, sorry, this is B, angle A, this is angle B, okay. A plus B, we already know A plus B equal to 90. A equal to 90 minus theta, okay. Applying tan both sides, tan A equal to tan 90 minus B, okay. We already know tan 90 minus B equal to cot B. Tan A equal to cot B. What is the when condition? If A plus B equal to 90, tan A equal to cot B. What is the cot B? What is the cot B? Cot B equal to 1 by tan B. Okay. Cot B equal to 1 by tan B. Therefore, tan A into tan B equal to 1. This is another formula derived from this right angle triangle. If sum of the other two angles is based on sum of the other two angles is 90. If A plus B equal to 90, tan A, tan B equal to 1. What about similar fashion? Cot A, cot B equal to 1. Okay, cot A, cot B equal to 1. These formulas we are derived from the basics. What is the basic? Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. From that we can derive these formulas based on sum of other two angles in right angle triangle is 90. Okay. Example. Tan 51 into tan 7 into tan 39 into tan 83 equal to dash. Okay. We have already derived one formula. If A plus B equal to 90, tan A, tan B equal to 1 or cot A, cot B equal to 1. Based on that formula, we can simply solve this problem. Okay. 51, 39 is 90. Tan 51 into tan 39 equal to what? 1. 7 plus 83 equal to 90. Therefore, tan 7 into tan 83 equal to 1. So, 1 multiplied 1 is 1. Simply answer is 1. Suppose we can put log here. What about the answer? Log 1 equal to 0. Log 1 equal to 0. In this way, simple techniques for solving the problems. In a right angle triangle, other two angles is 90. We already know one angle is 90, another two angles is 90. Therefore, sin square A plus sin square B equal to 1, cos square A plus cos square B equal to 1, tan A, tan B equal to 1, cot A, cot B equal to 1. Okay. In right angle triangle, this is C, A, T, angle A, angle B. What are the formulas we have derived? Sin square A plus sin square B equal to 1, cos square A plus cos square B equal to 1, tan A to tan B equal to 1, cot A into cot B equal to 1. These four formulas are derived from the this right angle triangle principle. What is the principle? This is the right angle. Sum of other two angles is 90. From the basic formulas, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, or sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. From that we can derive these formulas. These formulas are very helpful for solving the problems with a simple manner. Another formula is secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. This formula is look like this: a square minus b square. What about the formula of a square b square equal to a plus b into a minus b? Okay. So similarly, secant square theta minus tan square theta written like this: secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. Next, what about secant theta minus tan theta? We can write like this: secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 upon secant theta plus tan theta. In similar way, secant theta plus tan theta equal to 1 upon secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, secant theta minus tan theta. The problem is look like this. Okay, understand? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. This formula is look like this: a square minus b square. What about a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Therefore, secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 upon secant theta minus tan theta. Secant theta plus tan theta equal to 1 upon secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. In right angle triangle, secant theta plus tan theta equal to a. Okay. What is the value of secant theta? What is the value of secant theta? Okay. What is the value of tan theta? Okay. We already know secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant theta plus tan theta equal to 1 upon secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. What about secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 upon a? 1 upon a. Why? Secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 upon secant theta plus tan theta. Adding this one to secant theta equal to, therefore secant theta equal to a square plus 1 upon 2a. This is the secant theta. Okay. Tan theta. Tan theta we can draw this right angle triangle assuming this is theta. What about secant theta? Secant theta, what is the basic formula of secant theta in terms of sides and hypothesis? Secant theta equal to hypothesis adjacent. This is the opposite. Secant theta is hypothesis divided by adjacent. Okay. Okay. This is assuming this is theta. This is hypothesis. Numerator is the hypothesis a square plus 1. Denominator is adjacent 2a. This is 2a. Adjacent is 2a. Hypothesis is a square plus 1. We can find other trigonometric ratios, that is sin theta, cos theta. First of all, we find the opposite side. How to find opposite side? How to find the opposite angle? Opposite side. Okay. A square plus 1. This is hypothesis square equal to opposite adjacent square plus opposite side square. Okay. What about opposite side? Opposite side equal to a square plus 1 minus a square equal to a square plus 1 plus 2a minus a. Oh, sorry. This is 2a. This is 2a. Therefore, 4a square. 4a square. 4a square equal to a square minus 2a plus 1. We can write this is a minus 1 square. Okay, a minus 1 square. Opposite square. Therefore, opposite side equal to a minus 1. Okay, opposite side is a minus 1. Okay, from that we can calculate whatever the trigonometric ratio, because we know all the three sides: hypothesis, adjacent, opposite. So we can find sine, cos, tan, even, cosecant, cot. Okay, what is the problem? Sine secant theta plus tan theta equal to a. Find the other ratios. How to find secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 upon secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, from that we can calculate these three sides. We can find the trigonometric ratios. Okay, in similar fashion, cosecant square theta, cos square theta is also the formula. Secant square theta minus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, this formula is also looked like this: a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1. Cosec theta plus cot theta equal to 1 upon cosec theta minus cot theta. Similar way, cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. Okay. Some basic example. Sin 37, sin square 37 plus tan 29 multiplied with tan 61 plus sin square 53 plus tan 45 minus tan 45 minus tan 45. Okay, solve this one. Okay, how can solve this one? A plus b 90, tan a tan b 1, sin square 37 plus sin square 53, sorry. A 37 plus 53 equal to 90. Therefore, sin square 37 plus sin square 53 is 1. Okay. What about minus? What about tan 45? Tan 45 equal to minus 1. Therefore, 1 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. In this way, we can solve the problem with the derived equations. What are the main equations? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cos square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. These are the basic trigonometric equations. What are the derived formulas for solving the problems easily? What are the formulas? If right angle triangle, other one is the right angle angle, sum of the other two angles is 90. Therefore, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1, or cos sin square B plus cos square sin square A plus sin square B equal to 1, or cos square A plus cos square B equal to 1, or tan A tan B equal to 1, and cot A cot B equal to 1. From that we can solve the problems easily. One more concept. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This is also look like this. A square minus B square. 1 square is 1. Okay. 1 square minus cos square theta. We will write like this. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. In similar way, cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta equal to 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Okay. This formula look like this: a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. The problem is like this. Sin theta 1 upon sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. How to solve this problem? Numerator and denominator multiplied with 1 plus 1 minus cos theta root, assuming this is 1 minus cos theta. Okay. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta equal to what? Sin square theta. Therefore, sin theta to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta equal to sin square theta. This sin theta cancel. What about 1 by sin theta? 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta equal to cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay. In this way, we will solve the problems easily with the help of the derived formulas from the main